is the cabbage?
Olio. 55.
55? Oh, wow. Oh, baby's big shopper, baby. My baby's a big shopper. What is this right here? Oh, this is the. This is like
Spring
onion.
onion.
Oh, yeah. That's what I thought.
Pila? Dili pa rin. 35 yan?
How much?
35.
35. We're just gonna buy one. My baby buying cabbage and a super cold.
No, 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 no.
That's it. Where to next? How much?
Dagan na lang 1/4 natin. Sige daw. 1/4 na.
Share. Oh, that's that green one that
You don't like? Oh.
no, this one right. That green one. Yeah, the one you're getting.
Bali ka niyo, bali na.
What do you call that green
Ang
one?
takwarin ka. Pait-pait.
No. Don't try that one, y'all. Oh, shit. My baby has a lot of piso. The CEO of the sorry. Wow. CEO of Motor Parts. Wow. Japan imports. Or no? We're gonna follow. Damn, look at them.
Go on.
What is that? Okay, so I guess that one was too pricey. So where? Too pricey, babe? The CEO. Wow. She wants some. You want onion or what? You want onion or what? Share. Pagdali. Oh, you should have cooked for it, bro.
Sure, you have the food in the fridge.
Oh, yeah. Why didn't you cook? Oh, you could have just warmed that one up, no? What are you gonna cook? What are you gonna cook the chicken with? Ooh, lots of fish everywhere. What are you gonna cook the chicken with? 90? Oh. Which one you want? Dry fish everywhere. Dry fish. This one's only 130. Wow. 130, 180. Oh, is that the rice? More over here. This is lucky. Cashapp. Oh, what is it? Dang, look at that one. Super. This one's like sardines right here. This one is 30. Oh shit, look at that one. Super black today. Oh shit.